Good day, folks. I'm here to show you how to update your Bulldog menu, or running the Bulldog Wizard update. First, you want to do is probably gonna start out near the top right here at movies. You're gonna go all the way down. Now, for some of you, it's gonna say settings, and it's gonna have it right under the speed tester at the very bottom of that side menu. But for everybody that has the latest update, it's gonna be Bulldog right here. You're gonna click on this, and you're gonna do update the Bulldog. Click on that, and you're gonna get different options. This is the main one, the menu that you just saw, which most of you will have. This is a smaller version. It just has a section for movies with four or five add-ons, and then Doberman. The TV show will have like four or five add-ons, and there's like two add-ons for the sports. Use this if you're on a Fire Stick and you're not able to update, or you're running out of space, or whatever it may be, or if you just wanted something simple. What I want to recommend that everybody does, like every other time that they update, if not every time, is to go right here to Fresh Start. Fresh Start basically deletes everything that's inside of Kodi. Um, it'll basically give you a clean copy without all the add-ons, without all the backgrounds, and you'll be able to basically just start from scratch. The only thing that it won't delete is the Bulldog Wizard, which is what you need to update. So go ahead and click on Fresh Start like this. It'll come up with this dialog box saying, "Are you sure you want to wipe install?" Move it over from no to yes. You'll know that you're on the right color because it matches the color of the menu. So click on that, and it'll take probably about anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes. So it shouldn't take too long to do a fresh, clean copy. I'm gonna pause this until it's done. Okay, it took about like 30 seconds, but it depends on what type of device you're on. Next thing you're gonna get this is saying, do you want to force close or cancel? Always choose force close. It's gonna close out Kodi, and you'll take you back to your the Amazon menu if you're on a Fire Stick or Fire TV, or it'll take you back to the Android menu where you first chose code, to open Kodi. So go ahead and choose that. And after you restart Kodi, it should start to look like this and stuff. This is basically basic Kodi, without everything, all the bells and whistles in the menu that I've made. So what you're gonna want to do is go right here to the top where you see this little cog, and click on that. That's your settings button. And then you want to go to system settings, then add-ons right here. Make sure that you turn the show notifications on, and you turn on the unknown sources. It's going to come up with this. Just click on yes. And what you want to do is go backward all the way till you get to the main menu. Your next thing you're going to want to do is go right here to add-ons. Now this may not show up on your device, but go ahead and click on it. We're going to do it the long way. And you're going to want to go right here to this box. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to My Add-ons, and then go down to Program Add-ons. Now after you get the Program Add-ons, you'll see the Bulldog Wizard. Go ahead and click on that. And for some of you, it might look like this, where you can't even click on the Open. What you want to do is go over here to Enable. The Open will pop up. Change from gray to white. Go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be back to the familiar menu that you originally started with. So go ahead and click on the one that you want. I'm going to go with the Bulldog Wizard, and it'll start your download. Now, I've had this done in less than 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and it's taken as long as 30 minutes. This is the time right here. So basically, you want this progress bar to go all the way to 100, and it's going to go on to the next step. So I'll pause while it downloads. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like once you finish downloading. It's going to go to countdown to 0 right here, and then it will say extracting. This is the install part of the Kodi. This is where you're putting on the new menus. This will take probably about maybe 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your device. Okay, now it's almost finished installing right here, as you can see. And you come up with this message, just click OK. And again, it'll say, do you want to force close Kodi? You always want to choose that. So, all right, once you start up Kodi again, it's gonna say scan shortcuts up here. I don't know. This is kind of it. But that's basically how you install Kodi. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the video. Call or text me or email me, as you might have my information. Thank you for watching.